Hello guys, today we're here with another in my collection of my tornado sirens. Remember how I said all my collection of my tornado siren? And I'm going to show you how I'm going to make that one that I said that it's right here, that one. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this. Let me take this part. Okay. So first let's take this apart. Okay. Let's see. Another one of these. 1 second. Let me organize these. Sorry about these, guys. Just have to organize these. One second. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry that I covered it on accident. But there's nothing really to see right there. So, and you need these two pieces. So it's organized these two, and you need this. So, okay, first. You grab this right here, and then you grab this. Then you stack two together, and then you get another one, stack the other one, and then you get another one, and stack it, another one, oh god, and then stack it, and you're probably getting tired of me saying stack it, so I will quit. You know enough. So then you grab these two. You put.
This is where I use the skills I've learned. This is where the moment
You put this one and then this one.
This is where I grew up, and it's also where I serve.
In the U.S. Army Reserve, you train at least 1 week in a month and 2 weeks a year. Then you learn the skills to lead and succeed in life.
You grab. Oh god.
Part-time service, full-time.
Sorry about this. I'm working on iPhone with it on the iPhone, so sorry about this, guys. Grab this. Do this, and then grab another one of these. Do this, and then you do this, and you put this right on top, and this is supposed to be RS, no, or RA, I don't know how to pronounce it, I think it's RS, SR. Put this right here. And this is the tricky part. Put it on the stand for this. Put it on the stand. God dang it. Okay. Okay, guys. Here it is, our SR, RS, and I just broke it on accident. And here's my tornado siren collection. Over there's the graveyard, and it spins, but I don't want to break it. Just like when I said with the Thunderbolt 1000. I said it spins, but I don't want to break it. Because it's really hard to spin these things with only one hand because they don't spin that good. Gosh. And here is our modulator. Well, no, not a modulator, but that. And since you're here, guys, I will show you these. Remember my custom tornado siren right here. And then we have this Thunderbolt head right here. And then we have SD10 tornado siren model. We have this weird tornado siren right here. And then we have this other weird tornado siren right here. I don't know what my mom's gonna call these. And then we have my Thunderbolt 1000 right here. And then we have this one, comment down below. Lumber, comment down below. And then we have this SD10. And then we have that SD10. Then we have that one right there. I forgot to show you. But there's our thing that I just showed you on a tutorial. And right here is one of our heads. I don't know what this one is. SD10. One of those ones right there. And comment down below. Remember this one. Comment down below. Remember. So this is SD10. And thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hit the notification button so you never miss any future videos. Like and subscribe.